Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you. Always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much viewer for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Suddenly you can see, friends, in this video we are providing you most trending and classical designs of Crochet woman frock designs. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end, because in this video you will see stunning and unique women crochet designs. I hope you all love these beautiful designs. Crochet frocks and the lightweight, breathable and the gentle on skin. Suitable for occasions of the crystal wear of formal events. Easy to care, crochet fabric are easy to wash, dry and maintain. Affordable, crochet patterns and the yarns are often less experienced than other crafting materials. Unique designs, crochet allow for intricate handmade designs that stand out. Feminine touch, crochet frocks after feature delight. Less like patterns, chooses color, yarns and the patterns to suit personal styles. Crochet fabric draws beautifully, creating on the flowing silhouette. Confidence, both are wearing a handmade unique frock can enhance self-esteem, personal experience. Crochet frock reflect a career, personality and stylizations. Hobby, crochet can be a glamming activity. Conversions to crochet has a rich history, convictions based and traditional crafts. Crochet yarns can be friendly released. Crochet frock can last air, reducing waste. Long carbon footprint, handmade crochet reduce reliance and individual Bahosins, maxi dresses, low material twins, cropped style frocks, formal motif designs. The benefits are designed showcase the cramps and the value of crochet women frock designs. So we will share this video with your family and friends who want these types of decoration designs and ideas, different dresses designs and ideas. So different people have different choices and they love different types of designs and ideas. So in this video you will see different themes and trending designs. Select your favorite designs and apply on your dress for outstanding looks. Thank you viewer for watching the video, especially for those people who searching these types of most trending designs. They will get new designs and new ideas related to your decorations, designs and ideas different. So viewers, if you all love these articles and if you want more types of designs and ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon you receive the notifications of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your prayers. See you soon. We will take care and Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you viewers.